Our planet is a realm of endless wonder filled with life forms that defy our understanding. We think we know the natural world, yet the deep oceans and remote jungles reveal secrets that challenge us. Today, we explore creatures so strange they seem from science fiction. These are real animals, captured in their natural habitats. Prepare to be astonished as we uncover the most unbelievable creatures ever caught on camera. Join me on this journey into the unknown. We begin our journey in the deepest, darkest reaches of the ocean, a world so alien and unexplored that it feels like another planet. Here, sunlight never penetrates, and the pressure is immense, crushing anything unprepared for its force. Yet life persists in these extreme conditions, adapting in ways that boggle the imagination. This is the home of the goblin shark, a creature that seems to have swum straight out of a prehistoric nightmare. Sometimes called a living fossil, the goblin shark has changed little since the time of the dinosaurs, surviving for over 125 million years in the ocean's hidden depths. Its grotesque, almost otherworldly appearance is instantly recognizable. The goblin shark's long, blade-like snout is packed with special sensors called ampullae of Lorenzini, which allow it to detect the faintest electrical signals given off by potential prey. In the pitch-black darkness, where eyesight is nearly useless, this adaptation is a lifeline, but perhaps its most shocking and unique feature is its jaw. Unlike any other shark, the goblin shark's jaw is attached to elastic ligaments that allow it to catapult forward with lightning speed. When prey is detected, the jaw shoots out from its face, snatching up unsuspecting victims in a split second. This remarkable hunting mechanism is both terrifying and fascinating, a true marvel of evolution. For decades, the goblin shark's jaw was a mystery. Early scientists could only speculate about its function, as live sightings were incredibly rare. It wasn't until the advent of deep-sea submersibles and underwater cameras that researchers finally captured this jaw in action, revealing the full extent of its predatory prowess. A breakthrough came when a research submersible managed to film a goblin shark hunting in its natural habitat. The footage was nothing short of astonishing, confirming that this elusive predator is perfectly adapted to the challenges of the deep sea. The scientific community was stunned. The goblin shark was revealed as a highly specialized predator, using its unique anatomy to survive where few others can. Each new observation has deepened our understanding of how life can thrive in the most inhospitable places on Earth. One of the goblin shark's most striking features is its pinkish hue. Unlike most sharks, its skin is almost translucent, allowing the color of its blood and underlying tissues to show through. This is a common trait among deep-sea creatures where camouflage is less about blending in with the environment and more about becoming invisible in the darkness. The goblin shark is more than just a bizarre predator, it is a living relic, a direct link to the distant past. Its lineage stretches back 125 million years, surviving mass extinctions and dramatic changes in the planet's oceans. In many ways it is a ghost from another era, haunting the depths where time seems to stand still. Today the goblin shark is the only living member of its family, Mitsukurinidae. It is a solitary survivor, rarely seen and even more rarely studied in the wild. Its elusive nature only adds to its mystique, making every encounter a precious opportunity for science. Each time researchers come face to face with a goblin shark, they gain new insights into its behavior, biology, and the secrets of the deep. Every encounter is a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our own planet. The goblin shark is just one of countless extraordinary species that call the abyss home. Far from being a barren wasteland, the deep sea is a thriving ecosystem, full of life forms that challenge our understanding of biology and adaptation. In the end, the goblin shark stands as a testament to the strange and incredible truths of the natural world, a living reminder that the ocean's greatest mysteries are still waiting to be discovered. We ascend high above the dense emerald-green rainforests of Central and South America, where the air is thick with humidity and the sounds of life echo from every direction. Here, in the uppermost reaches of the forest, sunlight filters through a living mosaic of leaves, creating a world that feels both ancient and mysterious. This vibrant ecosystem is home to one of nature's most extraordinary creatures, the glass frog. Perched delicately on a leaf, it is easy to overlook, yet it is one of the rainforest's most enchanting inhabitants. What sets the glass frog apart is its remarkable skin, so translucent that you can see its beating heart, its tiny liver, and even the delicate network of veins that sustain its life. This unique adaptation is not just a marvel to behold, but also serves a vital purpose in its survival. The frog's transparency acts as a natural cloak, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the lush green leaves that surround it. Predators searching for a meal are often fooled, unable to distinguish the frog from the foliage. This camouflage is so effective that even experienced researchers can walk right past a glass frog without ever noticing it. Finding a glass frog in the wild is a true challenge. Their small size, combined with their perfect camouflage, makes them nearly invisible to the untrained eye. Researchers often spend hours, sometimes entire nights, searching the rainforest with flashlights, hoping to catch a glimpse of these elusive amphibians. As night falls, the rainforest comes alive with the chorus of countless creatures. It is during these hours of darkness that the glass frog is most active. The males call out with a distinctive high-pitched trill, their voices echoing through the trees as they stake out territories and search for mates. The dedication of the male glass frog is remarkable. After mating, he remains with the clutch of eggs, tirelessly guarding them from predators and keeping them moist by absorbing dew and transferring it to the eggs with his body. This vigilant care greatly increases the chances of survival for the next generation. Recent scientific studies have uncovered even more about the glass frog's incredible abilities. When the frog is at rest, it can hide its red blood cells in its liver, making its body even more transparent. This adaptation further enhances its camouflage, making it almost invisible to both predators and prey. For wildlife filmmakers and photographers, capturing the glass frog on film is a test of patience and skill. Specialized macro lenses and sensitive cameras are required to reveal the intricate details of this tiny amphibian, and often hours of waiting in the humid darkness are rewarded with just a few precious moments of footage, but the effort is worth it. Under the lens, the glass frog's anatomy is revealed in stunning detail, its organs, veins, and bones forming a delicate tapestry that speaks to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. The glass frog is more than just a marvel of nature. It is a symbol of the rainforest's fragility and beauty. Its existence reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains these ancient forests, and the importance of protecting them for generations to come. In the vast, wind-swept grasslands of Central Asia, a truly remarkable creature roams, a survivor from the Ice Age, the saiga antelope. With its unmistakable bulbous nose, the saiga stands out as one of nature's most unusual mammals. This peculiar appendage is not just for show, it's a marvel of evolutionary engineering, perfectly suited to the harsh, ever-changing environment of the steppe. The saiga's trunk-like nose acts as a natural air conditioner. In the scorching summers it cools the blood before it reaches the brain, helping the antelope avoid overheating as it travels across the sun-baked plains. When winter arrives and icy winds sweep the steppe, the nose warms the frigid air before it enters the lungs, protecting the saiga from the bitter cold. This extraordinary adaptation is vital for survival in a land of extremes, but the saiga's nose does even more. As the antelope moves through clouds of dust kicked up by the relentless winds and thundering herds, its nose filters out particles, keeping its delicate lungs safe. This built-in filtration system is essential for life on the open steppe, where dust storms can appear without warning and last for days. Once, saiga herds stretched to the horizon, numbering in the millions. These vast migrations were among the most spectacular wildlife events on Earth, but today, their numbers have plummeted. Rampant poaching for their horns, which are prized in traditional medicine, and devastating outbreaks of disease have pushed the saiga to the brink of extinction. Their story is a sobering reminder of how quickly abundance can turn to scarcity. Documenting the saiga's story is no easy task. Filmmakers and researchers must brave the same harsh conditions as the antelope, biting winds, searing heat, and endless open landscapes. Yet, for those who persevere, the reward is a glimpse into a world few ever see, and the chance to capture rare footage of a species fighting for survival. Look into the saiga's eyes, and you'll see the wisdom of the ancient steppe reflected back. These gentle creatures have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, surviving against all odds. Now, they stand at a crossroads, their future uncertain. The fate of the saiga rests in the hands of dedicated conservationists, rangers, and scientists. Through tireless efforts, tracking herds, protecting calves, and combating poaching, these guardians of the steppe are giving the saiga a fighting chance. International cooperation and local engagement are more important than ever to ensure this ancient wanderer endures. The saiga antelope is a living testament to the power of evolution and adaptation, Against all odds, it continues to roam the steppes, a symbol of resilience and hope for the wild places of our world. In the abyssal depths lives the Dumbo octopus, a creature of grace. Its ear-like fins allow it to fly through the water, a ghostly dancer. They capture prey with their webbed arms, a necessity in scarce environments. Sightings are rare, but ROVs have revealed their true beauty. They come in various colors, some with bioluminescent properties. Dumbo octopuses have no ink sac, relying on silent movements for defense. Their reproduction strategy ensures offspring survival in harsh conditions. Watching them is a serene wonder, a reminder of the deep sea's beauty. In Madagascar's forests lives the Ai, a creature of myth. Its skeletal finger taps wood to find grubs, a unique foraging strategy. This finger is a specialized tool, key to its survival. The Ai's appearance has led to superstition, threatening its survival. Filming them requires patience, capturing their precise foraging behavior. They fill an ecological niche similar to woodpeckers, a convergent evolution. The Ai is a master of adaptation, a unique form of life. On the ocean surface floats the blue dragon, a sea slug of beauty and danger. Its vibrant colors and feathery serrata make it a living jewel. It preys on venomous siphonophores, storing their stinging cells for defense. The blue dragon's sting is powerful, a warning to predators. Filming them is challenging, but the images are spectacular. They drift with currents, their world the ocean's surface. The blue dragon is a masterpiece of chemical warfare, a living dragon in miniature. Near hydrothermal vents lives the Yeti crab, a creature of the deep. Its hairy pincers host bacteria, its primary food source. The crab farms these bacteria, a life strategy in extreme conditions. They cluster around vents, seeking the perfect balance of temperature and chemicals. The Yeti crab's discovery was a landmark moment in marine biology. It is blind, navigating through touch and chemical sensing. Filming them reveals an otherworldly landscape, a testament to life's adaptability. We've journeyed from the deepest trenches to the highest canopies. Each creature is a marvel, proof of evolution's boundless imagination. The world is full of secrets with countless creatures waiting to be discovered. Their survival depends on our curiosity and commitment to conservation. The story of life is still being written with wonders waiting to be revealed. Which creature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more incredible stories from the natural world. There's always another wonder just waiting to be revealed.